In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Fiverr. If you prefer a dimmer, eye-friendly interface or you're working late at night, switching to dark mode can make browsing Fiverr more comfortable. I'll guide you through it from a fresh browser, keeping things clear and simple. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This keeps the process straightforward and works on any computer. In the Google search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. You should see the official Fiverr website appear near the top of the results. Look for the listing that shows the correct domain and branding so you know you're going to the real site. Click that result to enter Fiverr. Once you're on the Fiverr homepage, scroll all the way down. The control we need isn't at the top. It lives near the bottom of the page. Take your time and let the page fully load as you scroll. If you notice any pop-ups or banners at the bottom edge, you can close or move past them so they don't cover the controls we're about to use. At the bottom right corner of the page, find the accessibility icon. It typically looks like a small circular button with an accessibility symbol or a person-shaped icon. When you click this button, an accessibility panel will open. This panel includes several options designed to improve readability and comfort while browsing the site. Inside that panel, locate the option labeled Contrast. Clicking Contrast will switch Fiverr into a darker, high-contrast theme, which effectively functions as dark mode. The background will shift to deeper tones, and text will appear lighter, reducing glare and making it easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you want to compare the change, you can toggle contrast off and on again to see the difference. The setting should apply across the site as you navigate. If you don't immediately see the accessibility icon, make sure you're truly at the bottom of the page and not zoomed in so far that the button is off screen. On some screens or mobile devices, the icon may float slightly above the bottom edge, but will still be anchored to the lower right area. That's all it takes. Open Google, search for Fiverr, click into the official site, scroll to the bottom, open the accessibility icon, and select Contrast to turn on dark mode. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience, and feel free to switch it off anytime you prefer a brighter look. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating!